The objective of this activity is to verify experimentally that the sum of the pair of co-interior angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal is 180 degree. That means the co-interior angles are supplementary. Let's understand what are co-interior angles and what is the property. If you draw a line L and a line M which are parallel to each other and a line N which intersects both the parallel lines like this, this line N is known as the transversal. If you see the interior angles, that means the angles which lie between L and M. I'm labeling those angles as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. What are co-interior? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, all of them are interior angles. But what are co-interior? Co-interior means lying on the same side of the transversal. So if you see angle 1 and angle 3, they lie on the same side of the transversal, that means left side of the transversal. And the property is when you measure these two angles and add them, invariably you are going to get 180 degree. Likewise, if you measure angle 2 and add it to angle 4, the sum is going to be 180 degree. And that's why we say that angle 1 and angle 3, that means co-interior angles, are supplementary. So each pair of co-interior angles formed by two parallel lines in a transversal are supplementary. The material required for performing this activity include geometry box for drawing, two sketch pens, Fevicol for pasting work and a pair of scissors for cutting. Let's perform this amazing activity now.
So in this activity on verifying that the sum of a pair of co-interior angles is 180 degree, we have to draw a line. Let's call this line as AB and a line CD which are parallel to each other. And then we have to draw a transversal which intersects AB at P and CD at Q. As you can see, this angle 1 which is shaded here and angle 2 which is shaded here with a different color, they are interior angles because they lie between the two parallel lines and they are on the same side of the transversal, and therefore these angles are called co-interior angles. So you have to draw a pair of co-interior angles like this, shade them with different colors and then cut this shaded part. So I've already done it for you for simplicity. See, this is the cut angle, and if I keep it here, this will exactly overlap, showing that this is the exact cutout of angle number 1. So here is that cutout, and then you have to cut the other angle also, that is angle 2. So I have already cut it out for you. Here you have angle 2. So if I keep it here, this will overlap angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2's replicas have been made, and now I need to prove that these two angles actually add up to 180 degree. For that, you need to draw a straight line like this. I've drawn a straight line with a point O marked on it. So let's place this straight line here and place angle 2 like this so that the vertex is at O like this, and we can place the other angle now. This is the other angle and the vertex is here. So you have to place it in such a way that the vertex lies at O, and you find that these two angles exactly coincide with this line, and therefore it proves that they form a straight line angle, and straight line angle is always 180 degree, thereby proving that the sum of these two angles, that means the co-interior angles, is always 180 degree, and that will complete your activity on verifying that the sum of the pair of co-interior angles is supplementary.